Hello everyone, this is New Flyer Productions, and today I'll be unboxing this SEPTA regional rail train. This is Silverliner 5 train model. So yeah, it's new. It says SEPTA Wooden Railway. This is my first SEPTA train. Here's the map and fun facts. So yeah. Let's open it up. Okay, so I got it here. So here it is, the Silverliner 5. Here's the other one, another Silverliner 5. And here's the packet. So yeah, it's a 2-pack set. So it goes like this. So yeah. So yeah, here it is. I'm gonna connect them. So yeah, here's the train. Here's the front of it. I'm gonna turn on the light. So yeah. So yeah, here's the other one. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm gonna take a look at the packet. Okay, so here's the packet. It's an older version. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.